Sorry about that, my fucking mother decided to text me. You didn't miss much of the cutscene, I can say that much. Suddenly a suicide bomber. Elvis killed Elvis! You know, I actually think he could possibly be trying to be Johnny Cash. I could see that happening. Yes, I know. Shut up, mother. He's already fucking dead. You can't do anything about it.
I can't.
Juliet, listen to me. You have to go now. Your dad did what he did because he trusted you. Show him he was right to believe in you.
Okay, Nick. Let's get this over with.
I'm on Psycho with a chainsaw. Let's go. Down now. Down now. Are you fucking giving me another call? You know what's funny?
Oh my God, Dad.
I don't think there's a single enemy in here.
Oh my God, the stench.
Go between these. Let's chop them down. Bitch. Can't touch me. Can't touch this! You can't touch this! You cannot touch this, bitch. And that's the end.
Sensei?
That's his core. Listen carefully. This is your final lesson. Hillbilly is a mountain of tainted flesh, held together by evil spirits. You have to send a signal from its core, commanding it to self-destruct. Once the body is destroyed, all of the captured souls will be sent back to Rotten World. Take control of his core and make him destroy himself.
How?
By detonating a Nick bomb.
A what?
Like you have throughout this battle, you must connect Nick's head to Swamp's body.
But what will happen to Nick?
I am so sorry. As Nick would die. But perhaps
Sensei? I can't hear you.
You were right all along, Juliet. There's a reason I'm here. There's a plan greater than all of us.
Don't get all religious on us now, Nick.
Put me there and make the bomb.
What?
You need to put me on Swan's body. It's the only way to stop him.
Nick, no. He said you'll die.
Juliet, it's okay. I feel strong for the first time in my life. I feel lucky to have been on this journey with you and your family. I feel like a zombie hunter.
You're a fucking head! You didn't kill shit! Even when I used your ticket
But
twice!
sometimes there are more important things than what we want in life.
question. How the fuck is she gonna get out of here?
I love you.
Just a question here.
much.
I love you too, babe. More than anything.
How the fuck is she gonna get out of that? Final explosion! He turns into fucking Vegeta. And now, will I show the ending? Because I already did this. I think so, yeah.
Nick! Yes, son. Because of your honor and sacrifice, the mad feast has come to an end. You have truly been a hero. The glorious ones have chosen to bless you with a reward. But unfortunately, in the shuffling of this death and that death, this body and that, there was a small mix-up.
A mix-up?
I will be watching you from above, so please, in my memory, have Juliet do plenty of cartwheels while wearing those little white panties with the teddy bear.
Oh my god. Of course he would dress into the traditional Japanese old man pervert. Why is that even a stereotype? I truly want to know. How did she survive that?
Juliet?
She was right next to Nick!
Juliet!
If only Nick looked like Takashi, this would be appropriate. Wait a minute. Is that Morikawa's body?
The mix-up. I've got Morikawa's body.
I forgot about it. Holy shit, that's even funnier now. I fucking forgot about that.
Hey, face suckers! Up here!
Holy shit, he's alive.
Daddy!
Wait, how did he... Fuck logic!
I think I lost the testy in the blast, but what the hell? You only need one.
You don't need any!
Great, sir.
My fuck.
We best hurry. Your mama's gonna be worried.
Don't you think we should
So,
go to the hospital?
Not
that's
necessary. I
That's
get
the end of the
sick, so
game.
better Put the old stroke back together again.
I
I'm a new man.
Horrifying. You know what? This has really been the best
I
birthday
fucking
ever.
I'm like with High School of the Dead on this. I'm in the minority that quite enjoy this game, but still get a headache from it. But still, I enjoy the game. High School of the Dead is an anime not a lot of people enjoy. I, for one, fucking love it. Of course, that's just me. And let it be said, it's not for the ecchi. Let that be said. Before somebody takes that out of hand. Anyway, yeah. That was Lolipop Chainsaw. That may not be the ending, but quite frankly, I don't feel like sitting through these credits. If you want to see the true ending, then go look it up somewhere else. And my mom fucking texted me again. I was Riku Life vs. Dark. Farewell.